You know what my favorite part of the day is? Well, maybe not my favorite part, but you know it's a good day when you get a package and it says Beard on it somewhere. So here we have Beard mail today, so we need to do an unboxing. That only makes sense, right? This is what I do. So we're going to go ahead and take a look at this. Real quick, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when these are coming out. You know if an unboxing is coming out, a product review is coming out. So this just gives us the first opportunity to take a look at this company. And then the review is going to be coming shortly thereafter, after I test out the product a little bit. So go ahead, subscribe, like this video, hit the bell. 3 things. Do it real quick, and then we'll get this box open up here right after this. Alright, so thanks for watching that intro. I just think it's kind of cool. I like showing my family off a little bit and, you know, just what else goes on in my life other than beard products and reviews. So let's dig in. This box is actually from Machine Beard. Machine Beard, just a cool little story real quick. They're out of Texas. I just happened to run into somebody the other day. They saw my YouTube channel. I ran into them. They're like, hey, I know somebody that makes their own oils and balms. I said, oh yeah, who? Put me in contact. So they put me in contact through Instagram. I talked to them. I was like, dude, I'm gonna do this. Again, I paid for this. Nothing free here. Paid for it. So I'm gonna open this up here and see what's in here, how they got it. So just cut it open. You can see that here. Nice big deep box here. So first and foremost, right off the bat, we got a nice fold open box here. We got some bubble wrap right on top. Then we got some directions real quick here, how to use it with their logo on the back. So how to use a Machine Beard oil, just some quick instructions. Some business cards here. They got a pretty cool logo if you haven't seen their logo before. I mean, that's pretty awesome. And then you got contact info here. Feel free to zoom in if you want their contact info. But it'll be linked. It'll be linked below. And then you have some of this scrunchy, I guess it's the eco-friendly packaging here. Scrunch it up. My wife's gonna be super mad at me, but we're doing it. I can make that on the chore list for the daughter after school today. If she wants to get something cool tonight, she can chore list, clean up the mess that Dad just made. Alright, so we get to that. We got a nice little presentation in here of the beard oils. So let's just go ahead and pull one out. Take a look at the bottle here. We got a nice dropper bottle. It's a nice blue bottle. That's actually pretty cool. I don't know if you can tell with the lighting, but it's a blue bottle, and then you just have their label on there. This one's called a Headmaster. It's got like a Machine Beard logo with like a wizard hat type thing. And then we have another blue bottle, and this is Headmaster again. I guess I ordered 2 Headmasters. I seem to do that a lot. You watch my unboxings, it seems like I order 2 sometimes. Then you have one here. I must look at the description and be like, you know what? That's gonna smell really good. And so I need 2 of them. So let's go ahead and let's just smell it. You know what? It does smell good. I'm gonna have to go back and see what's in this because I can't tell. It has a smell that's reminding me of something, and I don't know what it is. It's gonna come to me though. So then you have a brown bottle on this guy here. This is just a brown amber bottle. This one's called Easy Rider. Take a sniff at that. Ooh, Easy Rider. This is good. This one's good. I'll talk more about that scent in the review here. That'll definitely be one I'll want to check out. I can see myself using that one more than once. Ronin. R-O-N-I-N. It's a clear bottle. feel like that's a little sandalwood. Lavender, maybe. I'll have to, again, I got to get into these scents here. I'm not prepared. Naruto. Amber bottle, red label. That's interesting. Kind of reminds me right off the bat, right away, just of like pickling spice. Just kind of weird, but I'm not going to complain. A lot of these scents for me are different in beard, so what the heck. This one's Huntsman. Green bottle, green label. I like that the bottles are different colors. They're going to stand out on the beard shelf. They're going to look cool on the beard shelf, and they're going to stand out a little bit. Be differentiated. Make your eyes go to those, which is always good. Woodsy. I mean, it's called the Huntsman. Cedar. Got some cedar in there. This is good. I like this. So, that's that. Rest of the package is just more of this stuff. And that's it. That's all that's in there. So this is what I got. Came very nice packaged in a box. The box is thick. This is like, man, this isn't gonna get damaged in shipping. It's not going anywhere. And then a lot of this stuff in here. This stuff. Hey, this is my rag that I used to wipe my hands off, clean my glasses and stuff. So, but those things stuck to it, so I had to deal with that real quick. But hey, these look pretty awesome. I'm excited to get in and test these out. But this is the unboxing for it, and I mean the packaging was pretty awesome. This is what's in there. So I'm gonna check out Machine Beard. I haven't really seen any reviews on it, so I think maybe I'm the first one. I don't know. But this is fun. I love getting beard mail, and I'm hoping more's coming soon. But you know what? Let's just thank God. Thank God we got 6 bottles of oil here. We get the opportunity to unbox this on camera and spread it to the world. We get the opportunity to put all these oils in my beard over the next few days and try them out and see what my scents are, how this oil works. Check out the ingredients, and you know what? Maybe I can help Machine Beard get a name out there and sell some more product, and you know, this will help my YouTube channel grow. So I want to thank God first and foremost for all of this. Thank you guys for watching, and my wife for supporting this, my daughter for dealing with it. My daughter runs around talking about getting a beard. She wants a beard costume, by the way, for Halloween. How cool is that? My 6-year-old daughter wants a beard costume. I mean, she's getting into beards, so this is great. One of these days I'll get her on here and help me out with this. But again, here's the business card and the logo. Love it. Looks good. But until next time, guys, hey, thanks again. Thank you for watching this. These are little quick videos. Reviews are going to be a little bit longer, but thanks for watching this. You know, I love you guys. Thank God for this, and let's be thankful for all the opportunities that we're given in this world. So every day is a new day, and we're blessed so much. So hashtag ManMain. We got to get the ManMain hashtag going. You'll see it in my videos. You see I got a shirt, a ManMain shirt. This one right now is just Beard Life from Dan C. But I have a ManMain shirt. You're going to see that soon. But let's hashtag ManMain and get that spread around a little bit. So check me out on Instagram. Check out Machine Beard on Instagram. Until next time, God bless.